You're an artist because you love to create. But have you ever wondered if business thoughts might be unintentionally hindering your artistic process? In business, you typically identify customer needs, create products to meet those needs, and then sell them. In art, however, the process is often reversed. You create first, find your audience, and then sell your work. The key difference lies in your primary focus. While a business mindset can be beneficial in certain areas of your art career, it can be detrimental during the creative process. Prioritizing what others want can lead to a sense of selling out, which is counterproductive to authentic artistic expression. So when is a business mindset helpful? Before creation organization, keep your studio space tidy and well-equipped. Location. Choose a living environment that inspires and supports your creative process. Scheduling. Create a schedule that allows for uninterrupted creative time. After creation, select galleries that align with your artistic vision. Build a fan base through marketing and networking. Set fair and competitive prices for your work. During the act of creation, however, it's essential to maintain a sacred space. Imagine having two toolboxes, one for business tools and one for art materials. Just as you wouldn't mix a hammer with paintbrushes, it's important to keep these two mindsets separate. Here's a practical tip. The next time you're creating, pay attention to any intrusive business thoughts. If they arise, pause and ask yourself, am I currently making art? If the answer is yes, refocus on your artistic process. If not, feel free to explore those entrepreneurial ideas. Remember, we're not judging artists based solely on their commercial success. However, for those who prioritize artistic integrity and meaning, sacrificing that for purely commercial reasons can be a heavy price to pay. By maintaining a balance between your artistic and business sides, you can ensure that your authentic, inner-driven art continues to flourish. Until next time, stay creative.